Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani word of the day. Today's word is içmək. İçmək. To drink, to consume, meaning beverage, or to have a drink. Let's see some phrases. To drink water, to have a cold drink. Su içmək, su, water. To drink, içmək. Soyuq içki içmək, içki, a drink, a beverage. Cold drink, soyuq içki. Now, let's see some sentences. Mən su içmək istəyirəm. I want to drink a water. Do you remember the words that was ending with k sound? What do we do then? We drop the k sound and we turn it into y. Mən su içmək istəyirəm. And you want to sound like local? Ditch the man, meaning I. Su içmək istəyirəm. Watch. We write istəyirəm. We say istəyirəm. Pure local. Su içmək istəyirəm. I want to drink a water. İstəyirəm, I want. Because there is m at the end already signifies it's I'm the one who wants it. So you can skip man. All right? Let's see another sentence. Mən qış günlərində isti çay içməyi sevirəm. I enjoy drinking hot tea on winter days. Now, you see what happened here? İçmək is an infinitive form. We need to change it to drink or drinking. So we add suffix e, but for that we drop the k sound. It turns into y. That's because it's easier and more smoother pronunciation. That's why the words turn into that way when it's ending with q or k sound. İçməyi, drinking, to drink. İsti çay, hot tea. Qış günlərində, on winter days. Gün, day, günlər, days. Qış günləri, winter days, means days of the winter. Qış günlərində, on winter days. Qış is winter. And of course we know man is I. But you don't have to say it again. Qış günlərində isti çay içməyi sevirəm. Sevirəm, I love, I enjoy. All right? That was today's word, içmək. Let's see some dad joke uses. My brain told me to stop overthinking and get some coffee içmək. Coffee içmək, to drink coffee. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new set of words. Remember, tomorrow's new week starts. We're going to be learning new words on new topic. Until then, check masterazofj.com for more. You won't regret, I promise.